Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on these Ultra shelves. These are the Walnut one, these are the floating shelves. I got them off the Ultra website. And again, this is the walnut color. I've got the 2-inch. They were 36 inches wide and 6 inches deep, and it was about $600. Now that's per shelf. And you can see these are right at 9 inches and 2 inches thick. I think that looks really good in a kitchen. So here's this new kitchen I'm installing. I think that's just the right amount of depth. You know, a typical wall cabinet comes out about 12 inches. I didn't want it to come out all the way. And then I put one above it right about 17 inches. I think that looks really nice. Okay, so when you get these, you only get 2 parts. I mean, you get some screws, but this is the mounting bracket. It was super easy to install. Put a level right here. Find your studs and make sure you drill your screws into your studs. But the shelf is just going to slide on there. It's held on there with friction. You don't put any other screws in, and you can take it off at any time. But you can see the bracket doesn't go all the way the full length of the shelf. So here's the side that mounts. You can see those holes go right in there. And it's got like a little cutout for it. Now, overall, I'm pretty impressed. I'm really impressed with the construction of it, how easy they are to install. You know, I did notice this is a veneer, and on the other shelf there is just like a little bit of a blemish. But overall, I'm pretty happy with them. And I was thinking they were going to be pretty lightweight, but these are actually pretty heavy. But it's very well constructed, and they're just so easy to install. You're just going to slide them on. It goes back there flush. And again, you want to make sure the measurement on both at the back and the front is what you want. My cabinets were off a little bit, but it looks fine. And then I'm going to be doing a backsplash. It is going to come up right to this point here. Okay, so they do come in this nice box. It's FedEx. I was a little concerned because the box was a little beat up, but they are very well protected with a lot of this rigid foam. So when I took them out, there was absolutely no damage. They are very well boxed. Again, I'm just really happy with these shelves. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.